Staying up to date and connected is a huge part of our world today. That's why we created Audi Connect, a system that hosts a multitude of connective and assistive features built right into your Audi. Audi Connect offers Audi drivers the latest in smartphone interface, vehicle maintenance features, vehicle security features, as well as vehicle assistance. Audi Smartphone Interface. The smartphone interface gives Audi drivers the freedom to experience a truly connected car. Through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you can access and control your phone's features through the MMI system, steering wheel, and voice control in your Audi. The smartphone interface is both smart and simple, allowing drivers to effortlessly access their contacts and save destinations using their phone's navigation apps. Drivers can also stay connected using hands-free calling and messaging, as well as access all their music, even with third-party apps like Spotify. Vehicle maintenance. Servicing your vehicle is essential to maintaining the performance and reliability you demand from your Audi. And Audi Connect makes vehicle maintenance seamless. The Audi Service and Checks feature alerts drivers when it's time to book a service appointment. Information on the status of your Audi is automatically sent to the dealer, so they can efficiently and accurately assess your needs prior to your appointment. The Vehicle Status Report lets you see information about your Audi in real time. Information such as the fuel level in your Audi, whether you left a window open, and warning messages. Stay ahead of vehicle maintenance with Audi Connect. Vehicle Security. Staying connected to your Audi is about more than convenience. It's also about peace of mind. Audi Connect enables you to monitor how your vehicle is driven for those times when you're not behind the wheel. The Valet Alert lets you monitor the speed of your vehicle and where it travels when someone else is driving. That's because you can set speed limits with a speed alert, as well as boundaries for where your vehicle is driven with the geofencing alert. With Audi Connect, you'll also never feel the panic of trying to remember whether you locked your car or not. The Remote Lock and Unlock feature allows you to remotely access your vehicle's locking system from anywhere. And if you've ever forgotten where you've parked, the Car Finder feature allows you to locate your vehicle in real time. Vehicle Assistance. We never like to think of circumstances where we may need help on the road. However, if they should occur, Audi Connect is there for you in times of need. In the event of an accident which activates your Audi's airbag, the emergency call service can create a voice link connecting you to our emergency call center and communicate all relevant information for you so you don't have to worry about anything. You can also manually access this feature using the SOS button in your Audi. In the unlikely event of a breakdown, the roadside assistance button eliminates the need to coordinate help. Information on the status of your vehicle is collected and automatically sent to our service center, so we know exactly where you are and what you need. Finally, the Stolen Vehicle Locator is an effective feature that Audi can use to help authorities track down your stolen vehicle. If your Audi is ever stolen, contact your local authorities to report it. Once you have a case number, give us a call and we'll work with police to find your Audi. Audi Connect is a smart and innovative service for Audi drivers. Feel free to ask one of our representatives to learn more. Expand your driving experience today with Audi Connect.